Chi here, and I am here with the Wagner steamer. And you see, show you how it looks real quick. That's the body of the unit right there. This is the actual steamer. Oops, and it sprayed on the floor. But good little unit. I'm going to show you what I use it for. So I have a business that is in for rehabbing couches. Sometimes we get couches in that have this depressed cushion. This is the cushion inside underneath the pillow, right? So inside one of these pillows, you have a cushion. Sometimes if something sits on it too long or something like that, it will get depressed like that. And the way that you can fix that is by using steam. So we have a steamer for that. You see that there just took out that wrinkle. This one's a little bit more stubborn because it's hot. That's pretty much all out of there. Around these edges, and it brings it all back to life. And as you can see there, that is pretty much normal. As you can see, the Wagner steamer works exactly for the job that I have it for. It also does well with cleaning. You can clean bathtubs. I've cleaned our shower with it. I've cleaned slime. Kids dropped slime on my car seat, and we had a detailer. He didn't know how to get it out, and then I read that steamer works. I don't know why the detailer didn't have a steamer, but I went in there with a steamer. It came right out. So get yourself a Wagner. It's pretty good. I enjoy it. The one thing that I would say was a con is that it does spit out water when you first start it. So I usually have a bucket if I'm in a place where I can't really just put out water. So I just spit out the first little bit in the bucket, and then it's usually fine from there after it runs for a little while. All right. Hope that helps. Thanks.